They were asking me in a lot of interviews, why you don't get the job, why you don't get the other job. And I was trying to say I am looking for the right opportunity, I am looking for a top side that can fight for trophies. So when you have a chance like this, you have to take it.
Are you on such a short-term basis?
I don't care about the short term. So what I have in my head is to win every game, to win. We have 5 trophies to fight for, so I will try to win from day one. And at the end, we will see what happens. So in football, in life, you never know. So 7 months, you can win some trophies, and I'm sure that everybody will be delighted.
Let's go to David and then to Neil.
Rafa, David Bond from BBC News. Can I ask you to give your reaction to the FA's decision this evening on the Mark Clattenburg case?
I think that the first day, you know that I just arrived, and then I went straight to the training session, so I didn't have too much time to think about other issues, just the training session, how to organize things and prepare the team and give the talk to the team about the things that I want to do. But I think that the club put a statement, and I think for me is enough. So I want to concentrate on football issues if I can.
Yep. Sorry, yeah, microphone at the front, thanks.
Rafa, can I ask you, when you met Roman Abramovich, what he asked you to do, what your priorities are, and what his expectations are?
To be fair, my agent was talking with the people in charge in the club, and I will meet maybe the owner today, and I will talk about football. I was talking normally with Michael and Aalo, when today was explaining to me about what they expect, what they want. And I think that it's easy. When you have experience at this level, it's very easy. What they are expecting from you is to win games, try to do it playing well, and win trophies. So I don't think that he will change his speech at this moment.
Neil, just pass the mic behind you.
James Pearce, BBC. Rafa, you've won the Spanish League, you've won the UEFA Cup, the Champions League, the FA Cup, a long line of success. You're a proud man, yet here you are only as an interim coach, potentially keeping the seat warm for Pep Guardiola. Does that dent your pride?
To be fair, I have very good relationship with Guardiola. I think he's a great manager. And what will happen in the future, you never know. What I know is that we have a massive game the next weekend, and we have 5 trophies to fight for. So it's more or less the same answer that I was given before. When you analyze why you go to a top side like this for 7 months, it's because you can win trophies. So for 1 year and a half, nearly 2 years, I was waiting for the right opportunity. You have this chance now. You have to take it and then try to do your best. That was I will do.
Ollie.
Evening, Rafa. Chelsea is a club where the owner has always had a lot of power. He's had a lot of influence over transfers. We know that he likes to play certain players. Are you a manager, because you've come as interim, are you a manager who's going to be able to do your own thing, and is it important that you are allowed to manage without interference?
To be fair, I am not sure about what you can read or you can hear. So when I was talking with Michael and Aalo, he didn't say that, oh, you have to do this, you have to do that. He was just telling me, listen, we are hiring you because we trust you, we think that you can do well, and we have a good team and you can do well with these players. So I didn't see or I didn't hear anything from him that you have to do this or that against your principles in terms of what you have to do for winning games. So I have a lot of years of experience at this level, and normally I try to do what I have to do for winning. So I think that everybody will understand that you can make mistakes. Will be my mistake, and if I have to do something, I will do it.
Sam.
Rafa, just over here. You were very, very popular as Liverpool manager. There's been a fair bit of opposition